Capital Paint Protection Film, located in Sanford, North Carolina, specializes in custom PPF installations. That means Norm Schilling's installations are more invisible than computer-cut kits that most shops use. This Range Rover that received an extensive package of paint protection film is a great example of how Norm was able to make it better than the pre-cut kits. So let me show you. On the bumper, one of the major software programs that a lot of shops use was going to have a split in the film right here to where two pieces come together that can collect dirt and become unsightly over time. However, Norm was able to do that, to install it in one piece with no seams. And this lower bottom corner was actually designed to have a split right here and a couple of relief cuts, which are V's, to make it lay into this flat area here. Norm was able to do it without the seam and without the relief cut. These custom paint protection film installations include wrapping the edges wherever possible, tight edges wherever he can't wrap them, and even customizing the design a little bit more so that things are hidden and look more aesthetically pleasing. For example, the door handle buttons, he even took the time to modify those, as well as these around the trim pieces. And this customer is also adding a ceramic coating on the exterior of his vehicle and on the interior of his vehicle to make a complete comprehensive protection package. So that's why a lot of people choose Capital Paint Protection Film. So give us a call today and we're happy to protect yours.